Hey guys, if you want to see how I created this decorative heart wreath from the Dollar Tree, keep on watching. Alright, so for today's project, you're going to need 4 rolls of decorative mesh, a heart wire wreath, 2 different ribbons, a hot glue gun, and different color heart picks, which I didn't actually end up using, and you also need some pipe cleaners. Alright, so what I'm doing now, I'm cutting the mesh into 3 to 4 inch wide pieces, and I'm going to continue that until I get to the end of the roll. Alright, so now that you have cut all your pieces, you're going to take each piece and you're going to roll them. When you're done rolling all 3 of them, you're going to secure it with a pipe cleaner and just fluff it up a little bit. Alright, now that you have all your little bundles made, you're going to grab your wire heart, which I already started doing a little bit, and then you're going to use the pipe cleaner and go around the middle wire, secure it, and position it in the way that you want. Just have fun with it. By the way, it doesn't matter what color pipe cleaner you use, because in the end result, you will not see what color is on there. So you're just gonna wanna keep going all the way around until you finish it up. Next up, we're gonna put on the ribbons. Sorry for the camera slipping, but I got these 2 cute ribbons from the Dollar Tree, and I just cut them all to even size. And then now what you wanna do is just find positions where, you know, just to zhuzh up your wreath it a little bit, make it cute, make it your own. Once you have your wreath as you like it, you can, leave it like that or add a couple things. I actually added a heart in the middle and some curly sprigs from actually my Christmas tree that were red. I just added them in there and I thought it was a cute little touch. If you guys enjoyed me making this wreath for you, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will be doing a lot more. Thanks for watching. This was the Dollar Tree heart wreath for Valentine's Day.